It's good, perfect. No any problem. It's perfect. Okay, very good quality. Now they are make the upright frame to make the correct position. So it's very heavy and a little dangerous. Must be very careful. They are move the upright frame to the correct position. They put the beam on the correct level. Now they are hang the second level at the correct position. Today we will do 3 different loading capacity tests. The first one, this one is very heavy and it reach 7.5 meters high and total 4 levels. Each level 3.2 tons. This is the first one. Now already finished the installation. Later we will do the test. And the second one is 4.5 meters high and the capacity is 1 ton per level, also total 4 levels. And the other third one, daily duty cantilever rack. We already put the 300 kilogram on this level. So they are already finished the loading capacity. Here you can see the quality. The surface is very good and it's shiny and smooth. And the welded line is very stable and strong. It can make sure quality has a very good and a long work life. And here we will insert safety pins. You can see you can easily take out and then insert it. Okay, after insert, no matter you want to take out or the forklift hit it, but it's okay. It will no any move. So it's very strong. Take the bar type steel panel from the package, take it out, and then put the beam one step by one step. So it's always not very easy because we need to take the package from maybe over 15 package and then take out different upright frame parts such as the upright, beam, bracing boards, steel panel, and so on. One step by one step. Now they will put the steel panel on the beam, one piece by one piece. You can see our new design, the construction is very good. It's easy to install and just only put on the beam. It's very simple. Now here already finished, very good quality. At the bottom you can see there are many rib at the bottom. So it can make sure the construction is very stable and strong and a very heavy capacity. Now they already put the correct pallet capacity on the second beam level. So here 1.6 ton and 1.6 ton, total 3.2 ton per level. You can see it's the capacity is no problem. The beam is still keep same. So that means this capacity is the rich requirements. It's good, perfect. Okay, now you can see we already finished the loading capacity test, total 300 kilogram. So you can see the bottom is no any problem. It's perfect because the capacity is one pallet is 500 kilogram. So we need to move the correct capacity pallet and then do it. Now the third one already finished the loading capacity test. Each pallet is 500 kilogram and the other is same. So this level total 1000 kilogram one level. The beam is also very good, no any damage.